Hey, in this video, I will show you over 10 secret iPhone codes that you just need to try now. So if you appreciate that, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's start. So the first code, which is very interesting, especially if you're buying a new phone, is how to check your iPhone's IMEI number. The code for that is this hashtag 06 hashtag. And now you see it. This is the first thing you can do. You have call bearing, which is 033, not zero, the star, then you enter the pin, then hashtag, and then enable. For example, the pin can be this, like this. And to disable it, you have to do the same thing, but instead of starting with the star, you want to start with the hashtag. So hashtag free star, then for example the pin, and this. You can check your missed calls by typing in hashtag 61 hashtag. You can also, like this, you can also check legal and regulatory details, star hashtag 07 hashtag. You can check call line presentations with this, but instead of 07, type in 30 hashtag. You can check your iPhone signal if you're worried that it's not working correctly with 3001 hashtag 12345 hashtag star, just like so. You can also check disable the alert system, which I do not encourage you to do, but you can do that with this code 25370 hashtag. Get local traffic details 511. Depending on your country, enable enhanced full rate mode 03370 hashtag. Get call directional assistance 411. I'm not sure if this is just for the United States users, but chances are you are from there. If not, let me know in the comment section down below which country are you from. To check and change signals, well, it was the code with 3001. You can go back to that. You can actually change it from there. Something interesting is to enable or disable call waiting status. So that's star 43 hashtag to enable, and just hashtag 43 hashtag to disable. You can do the hide caller ID, which is star 67, and then call the person, right? Type in the number. And that's pretty much it. If you want to learn more secret codes, let me know in the comment section down below, and I can make another video because I found some more ones as well. If you appreciate it, subscribe. If you're new, subscribe, hit the like button. See you next one.